Now we are gonna unbox this parcel. Actually, this is a heavy one. So let's see what we have. Okay, let's open up. Okay, so let's try this side. Oh my god. Yes, we are opened, and inside we have another box. Oh my god, this is something different. The packaging is also different. So let's check. We have some packets. So in total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So inside we have 14 packets. So let's quickly open one by one. Okay, this is easy to tear. And inside we have some stainless steel 50 paise coins. So you can see clearly. So let's count it later. This one is also 50 paise, but the difference is this is commemorative issue. You can see 50th year of independence. So I think 54 coins of this theme, that is 50th year of independence. You can see clearly. So these can be kept separate, and let's open others. So these again the common ones. So let it be there. So another common 50 paise coins. So let it be, and let's quickly open this. And these are another pack of like 50th year of independence, the Dandi March 50 paise coin. So let's quickly open this. And again some common 50 paise coins. And these two common coins of 50 paise. And again some other common 50 paise coins. So let's check this also. And yeah, this is the last two pack. So let's really quickly open it. So another pack of common 50 paise coins. So let it be there. So here another common 50 paise coins. So that's all. And inside the box there is nothing more. Some newspaper, some foam. That's all. So like after removing all these, we have got some common 50 paise coins lot and another commemorative issue lot. So commemorative issue I got 54 if I'm not wrong, 54 quantity, and this one I'm not sure of quantity, but it's a huge one. So that's all guys, hit the like button.